Hey y'all, I'm out and about today and I am looking for some vegetable starts to go in my little raised bed vegetable garden area. I'm looking for some onions and I need to get some seed potatoes. And anyway, I drove over here to High Grade, which is a local kind of feed and seed type co-op type place. Anyway, look what is arriving even as we speak. The truck says Rivers Plant Farm, and I think that's where all of their, or a good bit of their plants come from. And I am so excited. Oh my gosh. The first load is coming off of the truck, and as he is wheeling it out, I see some Kimberly ferns and some other green things. Okay, he's walking away. I'm gonna jump out and go over there and see what he has and show y'all. This is what came off of the plant truck today. This lettuce, it's called, whoops, Great Lakes. It says it's head lettuce, but I will probably, I've got some of this. I'm probably just gonna cut it and have the leaves, eat the leaves. This is called Stonehead cabbage. Whoops. This is Emerald Jewel broccoli. Looks good. This is Georgia collards. This is marathon broccoli. This is snow crown cauliflower. I do not do well with broccoli or cauliflower. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, and they also got these strawberries. They're just ever-bearing strawberries. They're real pretty. And then they have some tomatoes. Now, it's too early for us to put tomatoes out here in Mississippi, Zone 8A. They have Early Girl, and they have Better Boy, and Better Boy. And they also received these hanging basket ferns. Yep. I'm about to show y'all the plants that I bought today at High Grade. But first of all, I get asked so many times about my outfit of the day. So I thought I would show y'all my outfit of the day today. This is Friday, February 13th. So tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So I am sporting my Valentine sweatshirt. It says love, and it has bows on the sleeves. I purchased this from Winona Drugs where I work. And underneath I have a gingham button up the front polo that was one of my boys, or Danny's, or somebody's. And it's long, so it looks kind of like a skirt coming out from under the sweatshirt. And I have on a pair of black leggings that have pockets on both sides, and I have my red glasses so I can see. Oh, and my tennis shoes are a pair of Hokas that my sister Susanna gave me because she has bad feet and these don't help her feet any. And I have a pair of earrings that are the hearts for Valentine's Day that my sister Jennifer gave me last year. Oh, and a ring. This was a present that Danny gave me way back a long time before we got married. And I have on my engagement ring, and this is my mother ring that he gave me after I had the twins. So let's go look at the plants. These are some of the plants that I bought at High Grade today. I got a 6-pack of romaine lettuce. I think I'm gonna put these in my GreenStalk and just let them grow there. I had pretty good luck with growing leafy lettuce in my GreenStalk over the fall and early winter. So I think I'm gonna put these in my GreenStalk again. That way bunnies won't bother them, hopefully. So I have that. I have this sweet basil. It smells so good. I think I'm just gonna put this in a pot and then maybe put it under my grow lights inside. Or I might leave it outside. But if it's gonna get too cold, I'll bring it inside and put under my grow lights. And it smells so good. And then I have these chives. Let me see what this says. It just says chives. I'll probably put this in a little pot too, maybe a little terracotta pot. And maybe grow these under my grow lights. We'll see. I also bought seed potatoes. I bought 4 pounds of red seed potatoes, and I bought 2 pounds of white seed potatoes. We're going to do something different this year. You know, for the past couple of years, we have grown potatoes in the big cattle trough buckets or cattle feed buckets. And we might do some like that this year, but Danny seems to think, and this does make sense, seems to think that we'll get a better yield if we plant them in the ground. Now, we just really don't have a place to plop out a potato patch, but we're going to do something, and I'll bring y'all along for that. We may not do it today, but within the next week or two, we're going to have a little potato patch. So I'll show y'all that. I also bought the red romaine leaf lettuce. There are 6 little plants in here. So I'm going to put these in my GreenStalk. This is called Great Lakes lettuce. And it says it's like we'll make a head. But I imagine I'm just going to cut it and eat it like that. Not wait for it to make a head. These will probably go in a GreenStalk or maybe just a pot, a container. I bought some cilantro. I love cilantro. Oh, this is some more of the Great Lakes lettuce. I might put this in a container next to my kitchen door. I'm running out of garden space. And then I bought these 2 strawberry plants. These are just called ever-bearing strawberries. And I am going to put these in my GreenStalk. I have some other strawberry plants in there. And hopefully they'll do all right. Y'all, I was just kidding when I told y'all that people asked me about my outfit of the day. Nobody ever asked me about my outfit of the day. That was just me being silly, but I am fixing. But I thought my sweatshirt was cute for Valentine's Day, red and for the holiday. But I'm fixing to have to come out of it because it is 68 degrees here in Mississippi. I live in Zone 8A, Mississippi, and it's getting warm with the sun shining right on me. So I'm coming out of this sweatshirt. And I imagine I'm gonna go get my apron and put it on and get busy planting this stuff. much to clean up. Danny was using his chainsaw, and the neighbors were out using their chainsaw and leaf blowers and cleaning up also. So I thought I would just do a voiceover for this part where I show you what we're getting done. I planted up my GreenStalk. Right here I'm showing you the strawberry label. I put the 2 strawberry plants in there, and I ended up putting all of the lettuce plants in there too. I highly recommend these vertical growers. This one is called a GreenStalk, and that top reservoir is where you add the water, and it goes down through and waters every pocket. But those pockets are perfect for growing leafy lettuce. I've seen people grow onions in theirs before. I hope our strawberries will do well in here. I'm just real excited about it. So if you are challenged with not enough space to garden, get you a GreenStalk. You can grow lots of things in a very small footprint of area. This little sliver of land right here is where we put our potato patch. We have 2 rows going down the center of this patch, and I'd say it's probably about, I don't know, 15, 18 feet long. And we also put potatoes in 4 of these cattle feeders. So it's kind of an experiment to see which potatoes do better, the ones in the ground or the ones in the buckets. We still have so much to clean up from that ice storm. We have limbs everywhere, but we're making a stab at it. I haven't even shown you the back of the house, what we need to clean up back there. But as I was looking at everything that looks bad and that needs attention, I noticed the beautiful daffodils. And if that doesn't make you smile, I don't know what will. These things are for sure. Storms will keep coming through, things are gonna break, and the garden will keep going, and so will we.